targifted.com is being promoted as a way to earn a $700 Target gift card just by completing simple tasks. But the real question is whether this is a real reward program or just another classic gift card scam. The site claims you can unlock the reward by signing up, entering your details, and completing a few deals like surveys, app downloads, or trial subscriptions. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. There are legitimate reward platforms online where users earn small incentives for completing tasks. However, here's the key point. The way targifted.com operates raises multiple serious red flags. First, the trust and safety concerns. Independent analysis gives the site an extremely low trust score of 13.1 out of 100, labeling it untrustworthy, risky, danger. Second, the structure of the offer. To get the $700 gift card, users are required to enter personal information, complete multiple third-party offers, sign up for trials or apps. This is a known pattern used in reward scams, where users are funneled through offers that generate money for the site, but rarely receive the promised reward. Third, the domain itself. The website was only created in January 2026, meaning it has no real track record or credibility. And finally, the biggest red flag, the offer itself. Huge rewards like $500 to $750 Target gift cards are commonly used in scam campaigns across similar sites. Investigations into these schemes show they often collect personal data, push users into paid subscriptions, never actually deliver the gift card. It's also important to understand this. Legitimate companies like Target do not require completing random third-party deals to receive gift cards. Legit versus scam.com. So, is targifted.com real or fake? It falls into a high-risk, likely scam category. While you might technically interact with real offers, the promise of a $700 gift card is very unlikely to be fulfilled. The bottom line is this: targifted.com is not a trustworthy way to earn a Target gift card. It shows strong signs of a data harvesting and affiliate offer scam, using a high-value reward to lure users in. If it sounds too good to be true, especially $700 for a few clicks, it almost always is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.